Today I am going to deal with the chapter 1, chemical reaction and equation. Before we start the chapter chemical reaction and equation, we have to know what is physical and chemical change. Okay, first we have to move to physical. What is physical change? Physical changes do not involve any chemical reactions. That means if having the physical changes, there is no involving chemical reactions. We can take example, melting of wax. Melting of wax, that you know, melting of wax. Wax is a solid form and it is melting as a form of water. Okay. And next one we have to go as a dissolving of sugar in water. Dissolving of sugar. That also is a. It is not a chemical reaction. It is only happening, changing in the physical change. Next one, sponge or absorbing water. Sponge, you know, one piece of sponge we have to take and put it in a water that absorbs the water, but there is no any chemical reaction, only physical changes is taking place. And the chopping of vegetable, your mother cuts vegetables in the kitchen, that you know, that also there is only physical changes happen, there is no chemical reaction. So, and I think now you understood what is physical change. Okay, now we have to move to chemical reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical changes do involve chemical reactions. Chemical changes do. Here I said do not, but it is do involved in a chemical reaction. For example, fermentation of grapes. Fermentation means you know making from grapes we make the wine. That is a fermentation. In making wine, there is a chemical changes going to take place. Okay, and respiration. What is respiration? That you know na. We can take a symbol as a C6H12O6 as a. It is a having food. We are eating food. That is a nutrient. Okay. Plus we are inhaling the oxygen and break into carbon dioxide plus water plus energy. So we already know here chemical changes is taking place. And the next one, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, in the smaller class onwards you are learning what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means what? Photosynthesis is a making food in plants. That is called the photosynthesis. In there also is chemical changes is taking place. Next one is a digestion of food. We are having the eating the food, that digestion is taking place. That also is a chemical change. Burning of paper. Burning of paper, you know, carbon plus oxygen and give out as a product as a carbon dioxide. So there also, here also we have to say that there is also chemical changes is taking place.